Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of update on WhatsApp. So for that, open up your Play Store or App Store, then search for WhatsApp, and after that click on it. You will see the option of update instead of open, since I have already updated my WhatsApp and it is showing open for me, but it will show update for you. So all you can do is just update this, and this was the easiest way to solve this problem. And if this problem is still persist, then you can always go back and go to your settings, and in your settings search for app settings, and in the app settings click on manage apps, then search for WhatsApp, and after opening up WhatsApp click on storage, and then you have to clear the user data and cache memory, and this will remove all the corrupted files from your WhatsApp. And after that you can open up your WhatsApp or update your WhatsApp easily. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.